This is gonna be the back elevator at Disney's Yacht Club Resort at Disney World, Florida. Sounds like it's busy. It's still original. Just a replaced button. Here it is. Doesn't work. This thing is dark. Yep, it's still original. Hello. Stopping at 2.
Going down?
Yep.
Have a good one.
4. Certificate. Switches to the motor. Oh, that was really rumbly. I think the motor's dying out on this thing. The white LED looks cool. Stopping at 3.
Going down?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Going to 1?
Yep, time to go back to work. How's it going today for you? Happy New Year.
Good, yeah.
Good. Where are you in from?
Cleveland, Ohio.
Oh, really? All
Yeah.
right, very good. Very good. Were you here last night for the fireworks ceremony?
Yeah, I was. Was at Magic Kingdom yesterday.
Oh boy, that's good. Pretty
crazy.
busy, I heard.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Thank you. You have a good one. Yeah, of course. Happy New Year. Oh, that's cool. It's got the old indicator.
Yeah.
There. Yeah.
Attention to detail.
Just went up. It's going up so you can watch the indicator change. Don't think the arrow moves anymore, but it still lights up, so that's cool.